Have you ever wondered why some seniors leap out of bed full of energy, ready to embrace the day, while others, even after a full 8 hours of sleep, still feel sluggish, foggy, and tired? The difference isn't just about how long you sleep. It's about what your body is doing while you sleep. Today, we're uncovering 3 overlooked nighttime habits that can help restore your energy, protect your memory, and even promote natural healing in your body, all while you're resting. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll share a simple bedtime drink you can make tonight, and you might just feel the difference by tomorrow morning. Let's start by understanding what really happens when you sleep. Sleep isn't just an off switch for your body. It's an active process where your cells get to work repairing damage, clearing out toxins, and resetting your brain for a new day. Think of sleep as your body's nightly reset button. During deep sleep, your immune system strengthens, your memory consolidates, and your tissues repair themselves. But here's the challenge. After age 60, sleep cycles change. You spend less time in that deep, restorative sleep and more in lighter stages, which means less healing overnight, slower recovery, and fuzzier memory. The result? You might wake up feeling less refreshed, and that energy you're hoping for never quite arrives. But there's good news. You can train your body to fall into deeper, more rejuvenating sleep, naturally, without relying on sleeping pills or fancy gadgets. It all comes down to simple habits that set the stage for a better night's rest. The first habit is what I call the temperature trick. It's simple, but incredibly effective. Try lowering your bedroom temperature by just 2 to 3 degrees before you go to bed. Why does this work? Cooler temperatures send a signal to your brain to start producing melatonin, the hormone responsible for making you sleepy and helping you fall into deeper sleep. Studies show that seniors who sleep in rooms set to about 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 20 degrees Celsius spend more time in restorative deep sleep. If your bedroom tends to be warm, consider cracking open a window, adjusting your thermostat, or using a fan. The difference is often noticeable after just one night. Next is a mineral that's often overlooked, but essential for restful nights: magnesium. Magnesium acts like nature's sleep switch. It relaxes your muscles, calms your nervous system, and helps prevent those restless, tossing and turning nights. Here's the challenge. Most seniors aren't getting enough magnesium from their diet alone. You can add magnesium-rich foods to your evening meal, such as spinach, pumpkin seeds, and almonds. Or, if your healthcare provider agrees, you might consider a small magnesium supplement before bed. Many people find that adding magnesium to their routine makes it easier to fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up feeling more refreshed. It's a simple change with powerful effects on your sleep quality. The third habit is all about working with your body's natural rhythm. It's called the 90-minute rule. Sleep isn't one long, uninterrupted stretch. It's made up of cycles, each lasting around an hour and a half. If you wake up in the middle of a sleep cycle, you're much more likely to feel groggy and disoriented. But if you wake up at the end of a cycle, your mind and body are naturally ready to rise. Here's how to use this rule. Plan your sleep in blocks of 6 hours, 7.5 hours, or even 9 hours. This approach helps you wake up more alert and refreshed, even if you sleep a little less than usual. Instead of focusing only on the total hours, think about the pattern and timing of your sleep. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how you feel each morning. Now, as promised, here's a gentle, natural bedtime drink that many seniors say helps them sleep like a baby. All you need is warm water, half a teaspoon of honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. The honey provides your brain with a slow, steady source of fuel, which can help prevent those 3 a.m. wake-ups when your blood sugar drops. Cinnamon helps stabilize your blood sugar and supports a deeper, more restful sleep. This drink is simple, soothing, and easy to make. Just mix the ingredients, sip it about 30 minutes before bed, and notice how your body responds. Many people find their sleep comes easier, and they wake up feeling brighter. So tonight, give these habits a try. Lower your bedroom temperature by a couple of degrees. Add magnesium-rich foods or a supplement to your evening routine. Respect your body's 90-minute sleep cycles and plan your bedtime accordingly. And if you want to take your sleep to the next level, Try that honey cinnamon drink before you turn in. You might be surprised at how quickly your mornings start to feel brighter, your energy returns, and your memory sharpens. Healthy, restorative sleep isn't just about feeling good. It's the foundation of a long, active, and vibrant life. When you sleep well, your body heals faster, your mind stays sharper, and your days are filled with more energy. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's rest. If you found these tips helpful, share them with a friend or loved one who wants better sleep. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed strategies for living strong, healthy, and happy after 60. Remember, the path to prime health starts with simple changes, one night at a time. Sleep well, and I'll see you in the next episode with more tips on living your best life every day.